Alright, so real quick, before this video starts, I just wanted to say that I kind of forgot to film in landscape the entire time. So a lot of the clips are filmed in portrait, which is kind of iffy for the video, but regardless of that, I really hope you guys enjoy this one. Um this is probably the most amount of effort I probably put in a video. So if it does well, hey, I'm here for it. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Okay. What's up, guys? We are currently on an adventure. Yeah, let's see where this goes. Let's go this way. I think. Watch out for the pricklies still. Yo, the pool. Oh, the cicadas chirping.
This is a good find.
Let's go this way, I think. Stay down also. Yeah, right here. Here we go. Follow the semi-normal path into Neverland.
I guess it's probably based on Western time.
Bro's missing out.
Literally.
We should come here again.
Yo, sorry I keep FaceTiming you today. We just went on so many side quests. Check this out, okay? So, we went back into a place that I looked on Google Maps and found, or Apple Maps and found. You wanna check it out?
Tristan, come this way.
We're gonna save this location.
Also be careful of snakes.
It's beautiful, bro. Dude, it's massive on the it's massive on the other side. Hold up. So this is all hidden. Like you cannot get back here without walking. Hold up. I'll turn my camera around. Alright. Here's the front. Like the price of it?
Oh yeah, someone owns it.
Someone
It's
definitely-
owned by the.
It's owned by the dude. I mean, there's probably a little more to be done than just cleaning it out. It would take
Or someone threw
somebody threw a
Put
chair
someone
through
through
the
it.
window.
a chair through the window right there.
Alright, so we'll explore the inside whenever we're with you, listen. But we're just scouting the whole place. This is a good find. Look inside.
Yo.
Dude, this is the back of nowhere, bro. This is right next to the building, man.
Bro, don't be so loud. Tristan.
Alright. Oh, I think.
We need to find a way to get.
Here, do you want to see the pool?
We might have to go in the house. Bro, I don't want to walk through that.
Look. Alright. I'll let you go now. But I figured you find this pretty cool. This is a good find. Alright, I got you. Alright, see ya. Wasn't wanting to buy the house?
Bro. Especially after you told me. Wait, what's up here?
It's really nice house. Don't get me wrong. It would just take us a lot of work to get this place fixed up.
Is that a basketball court?
No, that's a parking lot.
Oh.
Livable space, all parking lot.
Do you want to climb the fence?
What is the game called? So,
Not interliminality. Level 17 or whatever.
I think it was level 10. Level 10 was the really annoying one.
Paraphobia.
Yeah, paraphobia. Paraphobia, all parking lot.
Shameless plug. Play a Paraphobia on Roblox. Low-key inspiration. Alright, what you just watched was our first, I guess, kind of scouting mission for this place. We only had 2 of the 3 people that were going to go there for the, I guess, full exploration. And so I'm sure you could hear in the background, Tristan was on the phone with Weston, our other friend. He's really cool. And we wanted to plan and come back here. And that's what this next clip is. So I hope you enjoy.
That building. That one is.
Hello guys, we are
No, we're not.
in a thing.
We are not.
We are not.
We are.
We aren't, actually. Just kidding. Yeah. We're in a place in a funny looking
Being a good citizen.
a good citizen. Guys, don't forget.
It isn't for me.
What? Don't forget to be a good citizen. Also, bro, you literally. Yeah. All right. I guess I'm getting out where Weston is.
No, you can get it.
Okay. That's fine. Oh. Okay. Got Weston. Got me. We got this buffoon right here.
How's it going?
Let's go. We scouted this place out a little bit earlier, and I guess we're running. But we don't need to run. But yeah, no. We scouted this place out a little earlier, and me and Tristan went to it, but not in it. And we got a sneak peek. And low-key excited. There might not be, because it rained the last time.
Oh, yes.
Okay. I guess I will. I don't know. What?
Volleyball net.
Volleyball net. Yeah, no, this is fine right now.
This is Phil with me the other day.
Sand. You what? Brother. Also, watch out for snakes. Weston. I told Tristan that earlier, but you know. Good reminder. Oh, sneak peek of the pool. Cicadas are going wild. Hopefully the still water. Those who know. Bro, Tristan. We totally could have gone through right here. Oh, not me slipping. Okay, here's the pool. That's wow. Oh.
Look at the bugs.
Bugs are insane. Bro, there's probably fish in here. Here, wait.
Fish? You serious?
I don't know if you can see that, guys.
Spider on that one.
There's a spider on that one. Some kids probably came over here and threw the fire hydrant in.
That's not gonna work in there. Wait a minute.
Says who? It works 2 times better now. You're gonna. Yeah.
You going in?
Bro. All right. Here we go. Just give a full 360. What's this? Chlorine, pool chemicals. This does not smell good in there.
Is that what that was? Pool stuff?
That's the tennis court over there.
This is where I first found it.
Free glass, free half of a chair. All right, wait, hold up. Go ahead.
It's like opening a birthday present. Do you have any moms? Oh, it's a snake!
This won't stay open.
Bro,
I thought it was open.
Also, you definitely walked right into a spider.
that's okay. I don't care.
Yeah. Check that. Check that boy out.
Don't let it slam.
I killed it.
This is pretty cool.
It kind of smells good to me.
It smells like homey, I think. I don't know, like grandma's house.
I hate how like torn up it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's down
Also,
because of poor guests.
If cops see this, we're not destroying anything. We're just exploring. Just a little bit of trespassing. You know, no vandalism.
Hashtag ad.
Hashtag ad. Oh.
Yeah.
I doubt this was an actual house.
These arrows are pointing both left and right.
They have like glassware and stuff. Bro, yeah, no, that's like,
Holy shit. That's, wait.
bro, it just keeps on going.
Awesome, bro. Dude, I bet they just cut off right there.
What's that?
You need a flashlight. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, someone pull up their flashlight. That would be nice. Here.
Here, hold it with that.
Alright, send the guy with shorts in.
Oh, it's probably not good that we're breathing all that in.
I was gonna say, that stuff's not good to breathe in, is it?
We need to get those masks.
Do we have masks? Fred, get in here. Come here. Do we? Do you have masks, Tristan?
No, I cleaned out my car.
Dang it.
We gotta go. Maybe we can. No, I need gas.
No, I think we stay here.
I'm definitely gonna go inside of we're definitely gonna go.
Is that a TV?
Yeah.
Dude, I used to take these apart all the time. Dude, what did you do? You broke it.
I don't think I broke
Wait, hold
it.
on.
Spiders all over that, too.
Pick it up again.
No, you do it.
Somebody else.
Bro, why?
Oh, he kicked it. He kicked the TV.
Bruh.
I got on.
Somebody did it. Someone like us.
Bro, that is crazy.
It's a big TV.
Somebody put a TV inside of the TV. What? Wait, for real?
Yo, wait, look up. Look at the... Y'all, hold up.
Oh, see this.
Oh, this is different.
There's birds and stuff.
This is like cultish.
Yeah, it actually kind of is.
I wonder if we could...
If I get bit, I hope I get Spider-Man.
I hope you get Spider-Man.
It's like the brain rot.
Brain rot. Bro, what were they printing? Cow? They got a cow sign. That's kind of sick. Oh, okay.
Restaurants in the area. I wonder how old this is.
This is like analog horror type stuff.
Yeah. This
Oh,
Careful
what?
how you're looking. It's red signs. How you are on the
But like also like.
And give him the keys.
I literally said something about a key. I literally said something about a key.
Liabilities, net worth, debt list. Yikes.
Dude, if we all got up there, this would make a hard picture.
What? I want a solo photo real quick. I guess what looks cool.
I don't know, you kind of like lay along the board.
What do you mean this is not stale? This is like really stale.
Like, yeah, put your head back.
Hands down, hands up.
We'll do both.
Hands are green.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Alright, I want to be taking him off the side. 'Cause it's not-
Ooh!
How you planning on getting up here?
What?
How you planning on getting up here? Love the view.
Yeah, this is great. Oh,
Are you good?
Yeah.
this is good. I'm good right here.
Bro, you need to turn around.
Yeah.
What is your plan?
He's got it. He's got it.
Are you just gonna get down? Is that your goal?
What?
Was that your goal?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were gonna try and get up from there.
No.
What? It is dusty up here, not gonna lie.
Did you expect it to be clean?
Not really.
Embrace your singleness. Embrace your singleness. It's an opportunity to get more, to do more for God. Okay.
Fair.
Dude, this is a great handbook.
Guys, you ready?
This is a Christianity handbook. I think this is an old church.
Oh,
Oh, well.
no, it's probably like an old camp.
Yeah, services in here.
No, it's probably like a church camp.
Camp, right.
Yeah.
Services in here, that's what I'm saying.
Okay,
All the chairs are in here.
y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want a flashlight?
Yeah, but I can't hold it. Okay. There's like dust in here and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me, but there's a drinking fountain.
You think it still works?
No.
Oh, you're funny.
You want to test? Yo.
Does not work.
Oh, that's terrifying.
Oh, this is awesome. Alright, I'm recording this actually.
Holy shoot.
Oh my gosh.
my gosh.
Oh. Oh man.
Oh, man. It's everywhere. I'm terrified. I hate
Dude,
spiders, guys. Guys, I hate spiders. Guys, I hate spiders. Guys, I hate spiders. My long hair isn't helping.
Okay, hold up. I'm gonna step out for a second.
I need.
Okay. I wanna get up there.
There's at the end of the hallway. There's a staircase. It's the worst.
Bruh.
Spider
Golly.
heaven up there.
That is insane. I hate that. But Tristan's still in there too.
You think we can cook something?
What?
Think we can cook something?
In this kitchen? I'm gonna. Oh. Pull.
It actually doesn't look that bad. Sorry.
Y'all ran out, dude. That was like awesome.
Okay, I'm going in.
The whole view is just like, it's terrifying. Dude. Dude, what do you think of like the squishy stuff on the
Bruh, the squishy stuff was awful.
Dude, that was so cool just walking through there. Y'all ran away, but like that stuff is like, the fact that it was terrifying made it so cool.
Golly. There was also another door to the right.
Did you guys see the women's bathroom?
No. Is that what the other door was?
There was a women's bathroom.
Sounds like a rain stick.
You're definitely getting
termites.
You're definitely getting pranked right now. You're getting hardcore pranked.
Okay, well, here goes. Golly.
Interesting. Oh, awesome.
All right, y'all ready?
Yep.
I don't think Weston would want to do this, right? Heights and bugs, kind of not Weston's thing. I feel like those are your two biggest fears
Oh,
when
yeah, they
exploring. Heights and bugs.
They are. I hate insects. The thought of them make me sick. And I hate flying. Because I'm not tall.
You hate what?
I'm not tall. I can't catch myself.
Tall enough.
Someone film.
I'm like 6 foot.
You're 6 foot?
Well, I'm like 5'11", but we call it 6 foot.
We doing this?
Go ahead. Tell us how stable it is.
It's.
It's,
You just literally have to hold on to the wall the whole time. Is there like, grab onto like a windowsill?
grab onto my balls.
I'm sorry,
They're sturdy.
I'm holding on to you. Yeah, don't step on that, I'll tell you that.
If you get over that direction, it should be easier.
Oh, for sure.
Here, wait. Give me the phone. Right there.
Well, luckily that's not a bad fall.
It's not the best.
No fall is a good fall.
Okay, hold up.
But I'm still gonna stay right here.
Yo, is that for us?
Bro, let's hide in the boat. Let's hide in the bathroom.
Hide in the bathroom.
Yeah, we got to
Bro, they have your car.
It's okay. They pass right by. Yeah.
Okay.
Is there? Grab onto this all the way along. There's no spiders. If there's a bug or something, I'll keep off.
Bro, this wood just cracked.
Well, it's built into the wall. You'll be fine to hold
Yeah.
on to it. Put your hand through this. This is really safe.
See, you can make it. We need to open this window. That's what needs to happen.
All right.
Yeah, this place is crazy. This is one of our craziest adventures.
Watch out.
Hold on. Oh.
Golly.
That's bad. Oh! That's my freaking bracelet.
Oh. Thank you.
Alright, I want to take a look. I want to take a look.
Okay. Wait.
I'll
You hold
do
this.
this.
Sorry.
Oh, there's a
Spider.
Why did it?
dropped.
It's all the way down there now.
Alright, hold up.
Is that a nest in there, or is that just things?
If it's a nest, we can kill them all at the same time. Yeah, it's not gonna do anything.
Where's the rock?
No, throw the mat, throw the mat.
The mat.
Yeah,
This is gonna be loud.
throw out the window. Is there a way we could just take this off?
The window? Yeah. That'd be up here.
Nope.
Look, he's a rock.
No.
Use the rock. You want me to grab it?
Okay. Or I picked this up and there's a ton of bugs. Listen.
Oh, they're on your pants, Weston. I'm just kidding.
As long as it's not my skin, I'm okay. Dude.
Is it gonna stay?
There you go.
Let's go. Fist bump. Nice.
The lack of fear of bugs.
There's one up there.
Dude, look up there. That has eggs all in it.
Yeah.
Like you said, we can come all at once.
Okay, watch. There you go. Bro, you got that.
Dude, this thing's so broadened.
I know it's bad.
I'm sweating. All right.
And if one of us is down there already doing the hard part, of being like the first one from there, we can like grab your hand or whatever.
Yeah. Bro, why did you go first? I should. It's alright. Bro, imagine. Go.
Hi! Misa Jar Jar Binks!
Dude, not the wallpaper ball. Yeah, what is this? Dude, it's so. Look in the woman's birthday.
Dude. Of course they got an oven in there. The women.
Bro, that's crazy.
It's stored in there.
I hate the squishy stuff.
Wait, is this a dead mouse? Oh. No. That'd be kind of crazy. That'd be kinda
Yo, real dead mouse?
Babe.
Bro.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's crazy it's just up there.
Golly, that was. Okay, there we go.
Alright, let's play a game.
Cool tennis court.
This is obviously
Pickleball? Bro, nobody plays that.
that's a lie. I know some people play pickleball all the time.
Bro, is it you?
No.
Also, there's a house right there.
Don't meet with the teacher to go play pickleball.
Well, they want to see.
Alrighty, guys, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay, let's go.
Here we go.
Oh, wait, there's a stairwell right there.